Welcome home to 10,722 Hickory Cove Court with 1816 above-grade square feet with a partially finished walkout basement. Offering 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths amidst a very open floor plan, this home is the one you've been waiting for. With gorgeous curb appeal, this home beckons you to come on in. As you enter the home, the soaring 2-story ceilings in the great room provide you with a very inviting space. The great room unfolds into the kitchen, which opens to the eat-in area, and from there merges into the formal dining room. Open space abounds. The formal dining room is currently serving as a playroom and yet could also serve as an in-home office space. Much of the main level offers brand new flooring, 12/2017. The overall design of the home is accentuated with, continued, an abundance of light due to the large windows throughout, and the majority of the interior lighting.